Good morning, I'm Carol Harmer, and today I'm going to look at gold along with everybody else. So, with gold, as you can see, that we've made two consecutive breaks higher above the trend channel, and we are in uncharted territory. Now, even though we are in uncharted territory, there are ways that you can judge, or there are indicators that you can use that will give you levels which the market as a whole will go for. Our first one was 44.89 that I put out late last night, and we've hit that today, and we've been to 44.97. Now, how do you do that? Well, what I've done is I've taken the move from here up to there, where it was still in the channel that I had put in. So that high was at 43.74. And all you do is you use Fibonacci extensions. And what that does is it does a mathematical calculation based on it's the same as a Fibonacci retracement. You just extend it up. The other way that I love to look at markets in uncharted territory is with pivot points. Now, you can use pivot points for any time frame you wish, but they work better if you do them on a daily basis, also a weekly basis, and if you're feeling very brave, a monthly basis. What we want to do is to tie in as many of the good indicators that are used. We want to tie in as many near enough the same level as we possibly can. So for today, I've got the pivot point coming in at 44.09. Now, people say that, and I say that if the market goes away from the pivot point, it should come back and test it. Now, if the pivot point today is at 44.09, you can see that this little trend line here is coming in, get it down, 44.15. That's a good enough place for me. It doesn't have to be exact. As I've said before, trading isn't an exact science. Yes, we're overbought. We're overbought on the dailies, the weeklies, and the monthly charts. But this, though, shows no sign yet of stopping. So for the time being, I would continue to either hold your long positions or buy into dips for the moment. The only problem I can foresee is if we take out that base trend line there on a closed basis, you could be in for a bit of correction. Now, remember, Christmas Eve is just not a day you want to trade. So this, I think, would be the last trading day until the States come in, bless them, on Boxing Day. You can see where the extensions are. You can see the 38.2 is at 45.61. And I'm trying to get these pivot points in with the Fibonacci extension. So if you just take note, your resistance from the pivot point analysis of yesterday's action, the pivot point's at 42.09. The resistance, first one, 44.82. Well, we've blitzed that, and we're now trading at, what, 44.85. So it's holding. Then you've got 45.21, 46.33, and 47.45, and that's only on yesterday's action. Now, support will be from the pivot point, and it will be from that that line there. It will be around the 44.15 area. Underneath that for your support, we've got 43.70, 42.97, 41.85 and 40.73. Tie this in with any support down here. Our moving averages are a bit too far away, really, at 43. Well, 43, 47, yeah. But the other ones are a bit too far away. I don't really see gold puking today, but as it is the last day of trading properly, I do believe that there will be some profit taking ahead of the Christmas period. And now I've burbled on for too long. I would like to take this opportunity to wish you a very Merry Christmas, and I am off now until after the new year, although I might come on and do a few videos. Okay, well, trade carefully today, all right? Have a wonderful Christmas, and let's get cracking in 2026.